Man, I'm exhausted. What happened? These product updates never stop. I'm tired of updating everything. Why don't you use Antimanual? Antimanual? It's an AI plugin for documentation. AI for documentation?
Yes. With Antimanual, you can generate documentation within a few clicks. Simply enter your topic and select your requirements, and let AI take care of the entire workflow. From research, optimize, create, and generate everything you need, including SEO-ready content, visuals, and supporting assets, saving you hours of manual work. Use your existing knowledge base or add custom information to provide additional context and improve accuracy. AI will first generate a structured documentation outline for your review. Once approved, it will automatically create the complete documentation, fully researched, organized, and optimized within minutes.
Thank you for suggesting me Antimanual. Now I can do hours of work within a minute.